Hi, my name is Ellen and I'm the CEO of HEMMO. HEMMO is a carpooling app aimed at university students. We want to save your money and the environment at the same time. Next, I'm going to tell you how to use the app step by step. So, there are 7 steps to success, and these are the HEMMO Lucky Seven. This is the ultimate guide on how to use the HEMMO app. So first, what you need to do is register. So create an account by pressing the register button and then fill out the form. We ask for your name, email address, phone number, postal code, gender, age, and permission to use your location while the app is in use. You must also create a password for your account. Please note that we never ask for your social security number or bank account information, so beware of scams through email. The second step is log in. If you just created your account, you need to verify your account through the link we sent to your email. Then proceed to log in using your chosen email and the password you created in step 1. Step 3. Check the front page. This page features any new messages you might have in the center of your screen. If you don't have any new messages, the front page will say 0 new messages received. There are 3 main buttons on the main page. On the right upper corner is the log out button if you wish to log out. On the left lower corner is the map from where the app is used, and on the upper left corner is the settings button. Step 4. Start HEMMO carpooling. Press the map icon in the lower left corner. After the map page appears, press the plus button in the lower right corner. A new form will appear which you will use to inform others of your travel plans. Click whether you will drive somewhere or if you are looking for a ride. Then select the planned departure and arrival point. You can also fill out the specific time you are planning to travel or click flexible if your travel plans are flexible. After you have completed your travel plan form, press send. Your plans will appear through a message icon on the map page in less than 5 minutes. Step 5. Message others. After your plans are posted on the map page, click on other users' message icons and send a request to message them. This can be done by pressing the Request Message button after clicking their icon. Step 6. Plan your carpool ride. After you've been accepted to message someone, you can plan your ride together. You can exchange phone numbers or other socials or use the app for the messaging. Step 7. Drive or ride along. Travel together to the designated destination and remember to fill out the feedback form sent by email for the ride the next day. Please note that the driver is not allowed to charge more than the passenger's part in the fuel or electricity expenses. For example, if there are 3 people in the car for the ride, the driver can charge 2/3 of the travel costs from the passengers, not all of them like a taxi driver would. If fuel costs are 60 euros for the ride, passengers 1 and 2 will then pay 20 euros each to the driver. The idea of HEMMO is not for drivers to earn money, but to share their ride to reduce emissions and save their fuel costs, which would normally be paid by them entirely. Thank you for watching the HEMMO How to Use video. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to message us.